doesn't get any better, we built Library GPT. Library GPT is a chat that can help you to find AIs, same way a librarian in a library would do. We named it Tool GPT for demo purpose, but we'll be changing it soon. This is a very exciting feature, so let's get into it. User first has to sign in. Then the user is then prompted to select a role or career. I'll pick marketer. For now, this is just to give career-related prompt suggestions, but later we'll be using it to offer more tailored experience for each role using prompt engineering. So I'll be typing in, I'll just copy paste. I need to create videos for my small business on social media. Are there AI tools that can help me with it? I search for this. And our librarian Stevie will be suggesting us a few AI tools that can help us with creating video. He suggested 2 AI tools that are highlighted. But as you can see here in the mentioned tool tab, both of the tools are presented here. And if you click on either of them, they'll be brought to the product page on our website. Here, user can take a look at all the information they need to make a decision, such as price model, supported platform, videos, and even the category and also the demo videos. If they wish, they can take a look at the website as well and then learn more there. Coming back here, not only can Stevie present what kind of AI tools you need, he can also tell you how to use it. Let's type in step by step to use AI Studios. As you can see, Stevie shows us these detailed descriptions of how to use AI Studios. Additionally, we can also ask for comparison. Let's say, can you compare AI Studios with Windsor? Here, our AI is comparing AI Studios and Windsor, and which one, to give you information about which one would be the best fit for you. And similar to ChatGPT, I can continue asking on this chat, or I can create a new chat with a new prompt, or I can also go back to the chat history where my previous chats were. So I don't have to worry about my old requests being deleted. That's it. That's the demo for our newest Librarian GPT function. This will help people tremendously as they can find AI tools they're looking for while answering their questions without leaving our site.